To add another layer of security at our schools, we are soft launching a weapons detection system called OpenGate. And the idea of this is to prevent students from coming in with weapons like guns and knives. So yesterday we had a training from the company. It's Chia is the company that we're working with, who provides the OpenGate systems. And yesterday we had a training with all the campus leads, all the assistant principals, some of the principals were there, and then the school resource officers were there, and then my staff and some of the two superintendents were also there. And they walked us through the whole system and how it works and how you set it up, how you program it, kind of the nuances of it, and some of the bugs that you need to be aware of that you have to work around.
Chase Field, the Diamondbacks are using them, State Farm's using them, ASU's using them at the football field and Mullet Arena. It's actually lots of venues, GCU's using them. So any place high track, most people are starting now to use these instead of our older traditional detectors.
We've ordered the systems for all the schools, but they just haven't come in yet. As they come in and we start working out the protocols within the next few weeks, we're hoping by graduation all the 6 high schools will be up and running.
Good job. Thank you so much.
One of the things that the weapons detection system will pick up are 3-ring binders and laptops and large iPads, things like that. So we're asking the students to take that out of their backpacks as they approach the gate, and then that's handed around the system, then they walk straight through so that they can get through cleared. We just need to ask that the students have patience as we work through the protocols and know that it might take a few more minutes to get through into school, so if they could just arrive a little bit earlier than they normally would, that would help immensely.
A lot of kids are learning, staff's learning for the first time, not everyone was at training, so definitely today, first time, a little slowdown, tomorrow will be a little better. Monday it's going to be a little better. Each day gets a little better. By the first kind of full week, it gets much, much better.
These funds were worked into the budget because of the importance that the superintendency and the school board knew that this system was needed at the schools. We have always been proactive instead of reactive. We see what's going on around the country. We see other tragedies that have happened at other schools, and we've always tried to be ahead of the curve. And that's why we started putting the fences up and the enhanced locks and the front office remodels. And again, like I said earlier, this is just another layer of protection.